Hey guys, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to show you how to work a slip, slip, knit, which is a single decrease. I like to do this the modified way, which I think shows up a lot neater. So you're going to work it over 2 stitches, the first 2 on your left hand needle. So you're going to slip the first stitch as if to knit, so go into it as if to knit, but just slip it to your right hand needle. And then you're going to go into the next stitch as if to purl, but just slip it to your right hand needle. And then you're going to knit these 2 stitches that you just slipped through the back loop. So you're going to take your left hand needle and go into the front loops of both of these stitches as if you were going to slip them purl-wise. So just go into the front loops of both, and you can see how your needles are crossed, and you're just going to knit them together. So you wrap the yarn over your needle and pull it through. And that is a slip, slip, knit. So if that doesn't make any sense to you, I'll explain it another way. So go ahead and slip the first stitch as if to knit, slip the next one as if to purl. Now slip them both back to your left hand needle without twisting them. So go in as if to purl, and again as if to purl. And now you're going to knit these 2 stitches through the back loop. So typically you would knit through the front, but we're not going to do that. We're going to knit through the back loop here. So go ahead and go into both of these through the back loop like that, and then knit them. And that's the same thing, I just explained it in a different way. The first way is faster, but if that doesn't click with you, then hopefully the second way does. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And I also have a weekly knitting podcast. If that's your thing, I'll link it below.